Is it time to buy or sell XTI Aerospace stock? In this video, we will take a closer look at XTI Aerospace. Our initial report was published on our website on the 6th of January, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more in-depth analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Experience the strength of AI and access free price predictions and comprehensive analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 6th day of January in the year 2025, our system has categorized XTI Aerospace as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Let us examine the stock's performance throughout this timeframe. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations. However, it currently reflects a loss of 0% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. A score of 0 indicates that our system foresees high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of recent developments, we are unable to predict the stock's next movement, as it could shift in either direction. The stock has broken through a significantly wide and declining short-term trend. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, but this may very well signal an early shift in the trend. In the event of a market reaction, support will be found at the ceiling of the recently broken trend, which is 0.0494, a level that could provide a second opportunity for gains. According to fan theory, 0.116 will be the next potential peak level, representing a resistance point that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 66.05% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a complete loss to a decrease of 80.94%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a decline of 2.71% over the next year, with a potential return between a complete loss and 530,335.68%. This translates to a price range of 0 to 466.78 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for XTI Aerospace includes the headline: Significant movements in XTI Aerospace Inc. stock price on Monday saw a fluctuation of 115.16% between high and low. The stock price of XTI Aerospace Inc. increased by 112.56% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 6th of January, 2025, rising from 0.0414 to 0.0880. During the last trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 115.16%, reaching a low of 0.0409 and a high of 0.0880. While the price has declined in 5 of the last 10 days, it remains up by 109.52% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased on the last day by 91 million shares, with a total of 0 shares being bought and sold for approximately $0. It is important to consider that decreasing volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence, possibly foreshadowing changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $518, while the lowest was $0.0383. Currently, the price sits at 99.98%, or $517.91, below the 52-week high, and 100%, or $1,942.41, below the all-time high recorded on May 16, 2022, when the price peaked at $1,942.50. XTI Aerospace has recently made significant progress in promoting its innovative Trifan 600 vertical lift crossover airplane after successfully conducting a general familiarization presentation with the Federal Aviation Administration. This engagement marks a pivotal step toward regulatory approval, which could greatly enhance investor confidence and positively influence the stock price in the short to medium term. In addition to discussions with the FAA, XTI Aerospace provided a business update for the third quarter, indicating operational transparency that the market often rewards. Such updates are crucial for investor sentiment, especially as the company continues to expand its leadership team. Recently, Javier de la Peña was added to its advisory board, and Jennifer Gaines joined as chief legal officer. These strategic appointments are expected to strengthen the company's governance and operational capabilities. Furthermore, the company is proactive in industry engagement, participating in conferences and launching a podcast called Hangar X Studios to connect with aviation professionals and investors. This community outreach effort not only enhances brand visibility, but also positions XTI as a thought leader in aviation innovation, which can lead to sustained investor interest and potentially higher valuations. The release of an updated flight transition simulator showcases XTI's commitment to continuous technological advancement, further solidifying its competitive edge. Investors may look forward to this innovation driving future sales and contracts, translating into improved stock performance over time. Overall, XTI Aerospace appears well-positioned for positive market sentiment, driven by strategic initiatives and strong industry engagement. Analysts have assigned XTI Aerospace stock a general strong sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for XTI Aerospace. The stock of XTI Aerospace Inc. presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected around the levels of 0.0476 and 0.0456. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, January 3, 2025, and since then, the stock has appreciated by 112.56%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which could impact short-term developments. Notably, trading volume decreased during the last trading day, even as the price increased. This creates a divergence and may serve as an early warning signal, though that is not certain. The very low trading volume heightens risk and diminishes the strength of the other technical signals provided. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 2 days ago, short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal 211 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 190 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for XTI Aerospace. XTI Aerospace Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at 0.086, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. Generally, the stock demonstrates very controlled movements, resulting in a low overall risk. However, it is important to remain vigilant regarding low or declining volume and to monitor the stock closely. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 0.0471 between its high and low, which equates to 115.16%. For the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 32.22%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for XTI Aerospace, let's briefly review some important fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on April 14, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for XTI Aerospace. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for XTI Aerospace is at 0.0931. If you do not currently own shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, XTI Aerospace faces its first support level at 0.0860. If this support level holds, it might serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for XTI Aerospace from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 28th of October, 2024, Gaines Jennifer conducted an insider purchase of 1,171,875 shares of stock option, which is the right to buy common stock. On the same day, Gaines Jennifer also conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 19th of September, 2024, Arthur Tobin conducted an insider purchase of 1,171,875 shares of stock option. On that same day, Arthur Tobin also conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 12th of June, 2024, Axton Tennessee conducted an insider purchase of 206,667 shares of stock option. Based on the most recent 27 insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, reflected by a ratio of 90.399. In total, insiders purchased 11,407,565 shares and sold 12,047 shares in the last 27 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at 0.0856, reflecting a decrease of 2.78%. This stock experiences very low daily fluctuations, resulting in minimal risk. The relative strength index over a 14-day period stands at 86, which significantly heightens the risk level. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified just 1 day ago. Is XTI Aerospace stock a good buy? XTI Aerospace Inc. presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At this current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate while we await further developments. Our analysis conclusion for this stock has been upgraded since the last evaluation, moving from a sell to a hold or accumulate candidate. After examining the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 7th of January, we anticipate XTI Aerospace to open lower, approximately 0.15 of a cent down, starting at 7 cents and 0.23 of a cent. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.